This is the current prototype of the Summoner. Now you can see its size in relationship to the pair of glasses that it's outfitted with the sensors to activate it. It's got several inputs. One input here is from the glasses to the interface. One output here is to a set of powered speakers or anything you want, audio wise. And then over here is the power that powers the whole system and also is connected through a relay to over here. Which is a 110-volt receptacle that gets activated when the system receives a command. So you can see this little bar here allows the user and caregiver to see how it's functioning. And there's two modes, one called not training or actual run mode, and the other one training. When you're in training mode, you get a little blink here to tell you that you are. And the reason we have those two modes is that when the not training, the actual run use time happens, the AC plug, it's hard to see with the light. Anyway, the AC plug, which is right here, gets activated for a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and that would just be too much to set it up. So we're going to go in training mode, and this switch allows you to go from training to non-training. You can see that in training mode, that little light blinks to indicate that it is training. And so what we'll do is I have the glasses on my face with the sensor. Again, I'm sorry, I don't have a cameraman, and I really ought to. With the sensor, and what I'll do now is I'll do one blink, a short blink, and a long blink. Okay, so let's try it. Short, long blink. All right, so now that I've gotten ready to do it, I'm going to trigger it. Here's a long blink, a short blink, and a long blink.
You've successfully triggered the device in learning mode.
Now there's a light up here that goes on that indicates the AC relay's been activated. So what you have is you have these outputs of the speakers, powered speakers that could be anywhere in the room, and this one for the lamps or anything electronic you want to activate, you can put the lamp outside of the room. So the code is pretty complicated because it took us a long time to get to the point where we could have the signal being caught with very few type 1 errors. That is to say, it's flagged as something that's positive when it really is negative. And that's not what you want with user-friendly software, especially assistive technology software. People will abandon it. So let's look at it one more time.
You've successfully triggered the device in learning mode.
And I've done this test with a number of people, about 8 or 9 people so far, and of the 9 people, only one of them had any problems with it. Everybody else managed to get it to.
You've successfully triggered the